Sunod na labas ni Honor ng smartphone. So it started with the Honor X9a with a tough glass. Then sunod is a Honor X7a with a massive battery. This time around, it's X8a. Sabi nila dito, this phone has a DSLR-like camera. Alamin natin sa video na ito kung totoo nga ba. Hey guys, ako pa si Rich mo ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. Ito Honor X8a with the 8 gigs of RAM, 120 gigs of storage is currently priced at 10,990 and mabibili nito sa kanilang official Lazada store and of course Shopee store. Check the link on the description below. But before that, mag-quick unboxing muna tayo. So guys, right now, i-unbox na natin ang Honor X8a. So A meaning advanced. So we have the color blue over here. And this one is a 8 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage. Ang color niya is Cyan Lake. Check in the sides. Ganito yung itsura niya. Tanggalin muna natin ang plastic. So buksan muna natin. So the usual package, no? Naka-plastic. So tanggalin muna natin. So this is how it looks like. Flat na flat ang kanyang likod. Flat na flat din ang kanyang side. So, medyo design ng Apple to, no? iPhone. So, ang ganda din sa kanya, no? Pag tinaman siya ng ilaw, nag-iiba siya. Kita mo, mas reflective dito kaysa dito. Pero gumagalaw siya, no? Kakaiba lang kanyang color. So, nakakatuwa dito sa apat na camera module niya, which I believe na yun isa is a LED flash. So, mukha siyang biogesic, no? Checking other things. May SIM ejector tool tayo. Quick start guide. Jelly case. Lambot nito. Kapit natin. Ganito yung itsura niya, no? Pag may case, ang ganda. Clear na clear. So, kita ko pa rin ang ganda ng likod ng yung phone. So, approve. Meron tayo Type-C cable. As well as a 22.5 watts na Honor supercharged na charging brick. So, pasyalin ko muna kayo dito sa phone na ito. Sa ilalim may loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in. Side ang kanyang volume rocker plus fingerprint scanner plus power button. Sa ibaba meron siyang IR blaster plus ang kanyang noise cancelling mics. On the other side ang kanyang SIM tray. Sundutin muna natin. So ang kaya lang nito is dalawang 4G na SIM, by the way, na nano. Sa harap nandiyan ang kanyang punch hole camera. Sa likod ang kanyang 100MP na triple camera setup. So guys, nakita na natin ang phone ni Honor X8a. And to be honest with you, pinagmamalaki nila ang kanilang 100MP na rear camera. And it's the main sensor, by the way. Sabi nila itong camera nila can shoot DSLR-like na mga shots. Malalaman natin later as we play along with the camera in a little bit. So what I like about itong phone na ito is kind of form factor. Definitely it's nice. And itong phone na ito is being powered by the MediaTek Helio G88. It's a 12nm chip. And of course, checking kanyang Antutu benchmark, it just only got a mere 200,000 points. And if you break it down, these are the scores na makikita mo. Now, checking the scores of Wildlife Extreme, this is what it got. Now, itong phone na ito has a 4,500 mAh of battery. It can fast charge as fast as 22.5 watts na Honor Supercharge. And tinry ko naman mag-charge from 0 to 100. It took me around 1 hour and 20 minutes to complete the full charging cycle. So, check naman natin kanyang battery stress test dito sa PC Mark. It gave it a 10 hour and 19 minutes of screen on time. Now, this one is being calibrated under 50% brightness and 60 Hz of screen refresh rate. Now, if you put it above 60, maybe 90 Hz, maybe magtatagal ng mga 9 hours, I guess, on my best estimate. But of course, if your phone has higher refresh rate, why use a 60 Hz if you have a 90 Hz, di ba? Now, even though if I set it at a 90 Hz of screen refresh rate, ginamit ko siya for normal usage like social media, watching some videos, and, well, taking some calls. Okay naman siya. It can last me through the day without any problem. Ito phone na ito has a 6.7-inch IPS LCD. It has a 90 Hz of screen refresh rate. Now, one of my favorite feature dito sa kanyang screen is ang kanyang very slim na bezels. Ang kanyang top, ang kanyang sides definitely slim. Though yung kanyang baba, no, medyo makapal lang ng konti. Konti lang naman. And it has a 90% screen-to-body ratio, which is definitely good for me. This one can display up to 1080p, and I'm not quite sure kung anong Corning Gorilla Glass ang kind of protection, but definitely it's a glass front, it has a plastic frame, and it has a plastic back na matte finish. And itong phone na ito is weighing at around 179 grams, so definitely it's not heavy. Now, watching some videos dito sa phone na ito, it only has a level 3 na Wi-Fi security, so well, honestly, you cannot watch yung mga HD na gusto mo. But what I can say, watching videos dito, mag-binge watch ka dito is definitely nice dahil sa laki na ka ng screen. Almost bezel-less display. Yung IPS LCD na doesn't really feel like IPS LCD. There are times na baka pwede magkamalan ng AMOLED display. Though it's not as punchy as the AMOLED display, but definitely watching videos on this one, mapa-anime man siya, basketball, or whatever shows you want, okay na okay man dito. The only thing na ayaw ko dito sa kanya is isa lang ka na loudspeaker. No? So definitely you have to put on your favorite TWS to enjoy better sounds on this one. Now, browsing the social media on Facebook, on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter is definitely smooth. I can say na, pag sinet mo sa kanya sa 90Hz refresh rate, definitely it's going to give you a very smooth experience browsing on these social media platforms. Ito naman itsura no, when you're browsing on TikTok, smooth din siya on every scroll. Except siguro kung medyo mababa ang internet, but the experience is definitely okay. Playing some games dito sa phone na ito, these are the graphical settings, and nilaro ko naman itong Call of Duty Mobile under medium graphic settings. I can say na okay naman siya. Nakapaglaro naman ako ng maayos dito sa phone na ito, even though that there are times na mapipil mo may kunting lag, may kunting frame drops. Normal lang siya no, dahil this is only a G88 na Helio from MediaTek. So I don't expect really awesome na gaming performance dito sa phone na ito. And by the way, ang kanang selling point is its camera, not yung kanang gaming performance, no? But overall, if you set it at the medium graphical settings, kaya-kaya naman na maglaro without a problem. Just don't set your expectation too high pagdating sa gaming on this phone. Now guys, pag-usapan naman natin ang kanyang camera. Sabi nga niya, may DSLR like the camera performance siya. And this one has a 100MP na aperture 1.9 na wide sensor. It's the main sensor, by the way. It has autofocus. May 5MP siya na aperture 2.2 na ultra-wide sensor. Then, together with it is a 2MP na macro lens. It can shoot up to 1080p and 30fps, which is yan ang kanyang limitation. Then, 16MP ang kanyang front-facing camera. And also, it can shoot up to 1080p and 30fps. Subukan natin kumuha ng mga photos outdoors. And I can say, taking photos outdoor is definitely no problem for this camera. Dahil it was able to take in some really nice, sharp photos outdoors. But when you go indoors, doon tayo medyo, napapansin ko medyo mas hirap siya kunti under low lighting condition. No? So, makita natin there are some photos na nakuha ko under low light condition. Medyo nagda-darken siya. Medyo hirap siya mag-adjust, no? Because of course, I honestly don't expect this to be a flagship level na camera. But if you can perform at this level, I think not bad na siya for its price point. Now, mas bilib pa ako actually sa kanyang front-facing camera. It was able to take some really nice and sharp photos of me. It was able to take in some nice and sharp photos of me outdoors. Pagdating sa indoors, there are some nice shots, but there are some shots na medyo nangingitim aking mukha dahil sa medyo low light. So, both front and rear cameras have a hard time adjusting to low light condition. Yun ang kanilang limitation. If you want to try this one for vlogging, ginamit ko siya for outdoor vlogging, and here are some samples. So guys, this is the resolution you'll be getting if you're vlogging using the Honor X8a and recording at 1080p and 30fps. Well, I can say it's just okay. Not really the best that I've tried, but it's a little bit shaky just using my bare hand, and I'm not using any gimbal, and the voice is being recorded using the default audio and mic. What can you say? And ito naman ang sample ko when I go indoors. So guys, this is the resolution you'll be getting if you're vlogging using the Honor X9a, using the front-facing camera, shooting at 1080p and 30fps. Well, I can say I'm right now indoors, and the light is not that bright, except there's some sunlight, and I can see the resolution is quite nice for its build. And of course, the audio is recorded using the default microphone. What do you think? Comment on the comment section below. So guys, nakita na natin ang performance nitong Honor X8a. I can say na itong phone na ito, kind of form factor is definitely good. And it feels more or less like an iPhone dahil flat ang kanyang likod, flat ang kanyang mga side. And ang kanyang feel dito is definitely light, hindi siya ganun kabigatan. So definitely okay siya in terms of design and form factor. Okay na okay sa kanya. Kanyang display is, well, edgeless display. So definitely it's also good for me. Ang kanyang camera performance, Well, for me, okay siya, but not to the level na expect mo ng mga flagship performance na camera. Medyo malayo pa siya sa mga flagship cameras. But definitely on its category, sa kanyang price point, pwede na, not so bad, but yung nga lang, medyo hirap lang siya sa low light condition. And take note that this phone is definitely not your gaming phone. Now guys, if you are interested to buy this phone, it's currently priced at 10,990. I'll be posting the link on the description box below. Silipin nyo lang. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi na miss ang future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Rizwan and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?